Hello, everyone. Today I'm seated in a 2013 Toyota Avalon, and there's a serious problem with this vehicle that I'm going to help you. If you have the same problem, it will be very helpful to you, and it's very simple, and you don't need to hassle too much to get it fixed. I mean, to diagnose the fault, but you need critical diagnostic. You need to do a critical diagnosis on it before you know exactly. Otherwise, you may think the problem may be coming from something else, but it's just a small piece of a part which is causing that problem. I'm going to demonstrate what the fault is for you. So as you can see here, the steering is stiff, because it's power steering. You need to start the engine for the engine to run before the power steering pump can give you the energy, or you may have the free flexibility to turn the steering wheel. As it is now, I know it's very stiff. Yes. So here, I'm starting the vehicle. I've started the vehicle now. See, now it's very free to turn. Now, let me pull the glass up, the windows up. I'm pulling the windows up now. Now, let me put off the audio and then listen carefully. You will hear a sound. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? This is the sound from the vehicle when you turn the steering wheel. I mean, you move sideways. And even it becomes worse when you drive. So I'm going to drive for you to listen. And then after, I'm going to show you where the problem is. You may be thinking there's a problem with the undercarriage or stuff, but let's wait and see where the problem is. So I'm backing off. I'm only going to drive at the place where you have the road very bad, and then you may hear of what I'm trying to let you know. So I'm here. You can see the road, which is very bad. I'm going to drive through this road, which is very bad, and then you listen carefully. Can you hear that rattling noise? Can you hear that noise under the vehicle? Sorry, the noise coming from the vehicle. It's very uncomfortable. And if you are not careful, you may think it is the undercarriage that is causing the problem. But I'm telling you, that is not the problem. The problem has nothing to do with anything under the vehicle. So just wait patiently, and I'm going to show you where the problem is. And if you have such problem, it's easy for you to just go straight away. But you need to do proper diagnosis to make sure and know where that problem is before you'll be able to solve it. So I'll be back. So stay with me, and we're going to get the problem solved. Yeah. As you can see, this is a Toyota Avalon. That is a V6 engine. With the problem. So, like I said, the problem has nothing to do with the undercarriage. But stay with me, and then we'll get a problem solved right away. So we come to get a problem solved. as you can see, I've brought the whole steering system down. So as you can see, I've brought the whole steering system out from the vehicle. Here's the whole steering system. You can see. You see, it's empty. I just want you to know, so that you want to show you what exactly I'm doing. So you see, I've taken the whole steering system out from the vehicle. So the problem that we are talking of, it's right here. I'm going to take this thing out, and then we'll see exactly where the problem is. Please don't go away. Stay with me and we'll get the problem solved. So taking everything, I have to decouple this. Yes. So this is where the problem is here. You see this part? There is a damper on this part, and as you can see, it's broken. So that is what we have in this one. If you look closely, see these particles are all broken. So we'll get a new one, and then we'll fix it up. I've got my brush. I have to clean all this debris which is within it. I have to take every debris out. And make sure everything is cleared, because they've been long, and then when it gets damaged, that is what happens. Yeah. And that is the steering system. So everything is cleaned. Check with this one too. See, we don't have any problem. It's okay. So the whole steering system, switch is this, goes into this, and you have the complete system. So what actually, so I have a new part here. You see, it's sealed, it's not open. You see it? So, and this is the old one. I'm going to replace it with the new one. So you can see, you see the green damper which is in it is broken, and this one, see, there's a new one. I'm just about to open, and that is it. Here is it. This is it. So this is all that you needed to get the problem solved. It's all this. And once you install everything, the noise is go. So I'll get it fixed, and then we'll go on a test drive again. So as you can see, I've installed a damper. I have the old one here where you have the broken parts off. I've installed a new one, and I've put everything together, and then I'm going to mount the steering wheel. This is the location. You have this stored here, and this one also here, and this is where, and you have the linkage. That is after installing, I'll connect it, and then everything will be fixed. So stay with me after we go on a test drive. So here we are, everything is installed. The small parts, that is the damper, has been replaced. I'm going to go on a test drive. I've started the engine and it's running. So come with me whilst I go on a test drive. So beginning from where we started, you see, I'm shaking the steering here. You see, you are not hearing any sound, which is coming again. That small damper was the main cause of the problem, but I'm going on a test drive, so let's see what we have. I'm going to go to the same place where you were hearing the noise. So as you can see, I'm driving to the location where you have the rough road. Okay, so if you can remember this place, I'm here at the location again. So I'm going to drive through, and as you can hear, yes, so the problem is solved, and that is the main problem causing the problem. You might think it is the undercarriage, there's a tie rod or a bushing or something. It is just the electric power steering damper. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching this video.